Martina here. A library pal sent me an email saying she had a big event the next day and asked, how do I look good on camera? Grab a paper and a pen. That's our topic for today. Looking good on camera. There's a couple of things you need. Number one, have fun. It shows. You've got moments to engage your virtual audience, to bring them into the library experience, and you may have a lot of things on your mind. You've got buttons to press and questions to answer, perhaps in chat, time to keep track of, and you might accidentally be addressing them like you're in line at the DMV. Having fun is important and it shows. This program is productive use of time for them. It's interesting, it's fun, and you want to lead by example. Have fun with it. All right, now the next number one thing, yes, another number one. They're all number ones. They're all equally important and you're going to need them all to look good on camera. So the next number one is, did you think that it would be makeup tips? No, it's lighting. The lighting has to be good. The lighting comes straight at you. You could use ring lights. You can use an elaborate 3-point lighting system if you'd like. Just no down lighting, no lights coming down from above. Boris Karloff uses down lighting. And if you don't know who he is, you're young. If you want to look good on camera, you need good lighting. The next number one is camera placement. Never, ever, ever have your camera down low where you're looking down at the camera. It's not flattering. Have your camera raised up just a bit above, straight at you. Camera placement. Pay attention to where your camera is. The next number one for your list. You'll see why this is number one. How do people become quickly engaged with you? How do people feel welcomed? How do people quickly feel good and positive about you? It's your smile. And there's two kinds, social and genuine. A genuine smile starts with your eyes. Use your genuine smile early on purpose and often. The next number one is to say something personal about your topic. Now, it doesn't have to be factual about the topic. It has to be personal about the topic. You could say, I'm really excited about today. That's personal. I've heard this speaker before and they're really good. This get organized topic is something my sister really needs. I'll be taking notes through this whole thing. Find something personal to say. Now, why did I include this on this tutorial about how to look good on camera for your virtual library programs? Because part of looking good is to bring energy, and this is simply a specific way to do that. And your goal is to give them a personal experience. You lead. And the next number one, if you're sitting in a chair or stool, sit on the edge of it where it's not comfortable. This provides this just small sense of energy. It's hard to fall into a relaxed, low energy state when you're a little bit uncomfortable. So pull up, sit up, it changes your posture just a little bit, sit on the edge of your chair. My name is Martina Mathisen. My library training programs for the in-service days are listed below. What topics are you wishing would be addressed? Shoot me an email. And don't forget, subscribe below for the next library helper video.